Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Joseph here with Washpreneurs. Today's gonna be an exciting video. Don't mind the hair. I need a haircut and a shape up. But check this out, guys. We got a big purchase today. A purchase that's gonna make us so much money. This YouTube is gonna take off so fast. So, one thing I want to say is I like to do everything slow. Okay, I learned my lesson from rushing with things, and just take your time. You don't have to upgrade so fast. You don't have to buy the best equipment straight from the beginning. Take your time, upgrade at your own speed. Okay, so if that means you got to buy a residential pressure washer from the beginning and then upgrade, that's what that means. You don't have to spend that much money from the beginning. But without further ado, look at this. Look at that thing. We're gonna get this stuff going. It was already used by a pressure washing company like about an hour away from me, and check that out, yo. I'm gonna give you guys a look outside and inside. Stay tuned.
Yes, sir. You see the trailer. I can't wait to put this thing to use, man. I can't wait to see the progress that I'm gonna be doing on this. I'm gonna be transforming inside and out. Stay tuned.
So I am so excited. Stay tuned for the trailer builds. Like, this is gonna be awesome. Anybody have any recommendations or anything, any knowledge or whatever, drop it down below in the comments and let me know what you think about the trailer. Let me know if you have some cool ideas. You know, what works the best in this industry. So Washpreneurs, man, stay tuned. We're leveling up. Peace out.